Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper holder. First, assess the damage to determine if only the pull tab is missing or if the entire slider mechanism is faulty. You will need a few basic tools, such as needle nose pliers, small wire cutters, and potentially a replacement pull tab or slider. Check the back of your existing zipper slider for a number, typically between 3 and 10, which indicates its size. For a quick fix, especially when you are on the go, several temporary solutions can get your zipper working again. A common method is to thread a standard paperclip through the small eyelet on the zipper slider. Alternatively, a small metal keyring or even a sturdy piece of string can be looped through. A small plastic zip tie also works effectively, providing a secure, temporary handle until a permanent repair can be made. Beyond sound, these interfaces offer distinct features. The Matu M6 stands out with its vibrant full-color LCD screen, providing clear visual metering for all your signals. It also has a convenient hardware mix knob for direct monitoring and 2 independent headphone outputs. The Focusrite Scarlett 4i4 introduces innovative features like Air Mode, which enhances your sound with classic console characteristics. Its auto gain and clip-safe functions are fantastic for quickly setting optimal recording levels, ensuring you never miss a perfect take. To prevent future zipper holder issues, proper maintenance is key. Always ensure the zipper teeth are perfectly aligned before attempting to pull the slider, avoiding any forceful movements. Periodically, apply a small amount of zipper lubricant, such as beeswax or a silicone spray, to the teeth for smoother operation. Regularly clean the zipper track to remove any accumulated dirt or debris. A little proactive care can significantly extend the lifespan of your zippers, saving you time and effort.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.